In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the size of a button in Framer. If you're customizing a design and want your button to feel more balanced on the page, changing its size is a quick and useful adjustment. Framer makes this pretty straightforward once you know where to look. First, go to Framer and open the project you want to work on. From there, click on the page you'd like to edit so it opens in the editor. This gives you access to the layout and all the elements on that page. Once the page is open, click directly on the button element you want to resize. Make sure the button itself is selected, not the surrounding Framer section. This is important because the settings in the right panel will update based on whatever element is currently selected. After selecting the button, move over to the right-hand panel and look for the size section. This is where Framer lets you control the dimensions of the selected element. If you don't immediately see it, just take a second to scan the panel carefully, since the available options depend on what you have selected. In the size section, you can now adjust the height and width of the button. Increasing the width can make the button feel more prominent or give the text more room to breathe, while adjusting the height can help improve readability and make the button easier to click. Try small changes first so you can see how the button looks in context with the rest of your design. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the overall spacing and alignment of your page. A button that's too large or too small can feel out of place, so it helps to aim for a size that matches the style of the rest of your layout. And that's how to adjust the size of a button in Framer.